Namaskar, my name is Meemansa Shukla and today I am going to present my model on water alarm system. So, water covers 70% of the earth's surface and approximately 60% of the human body. Water is essential for us and so many people are concerned about to conserve water. Simply because despite the fact there is so much around it, but there is only 1% of water which is accessible and safe for the human consumption. We should conserve the water. To conserve the water, there is an electronic device which helps us to stop the water to overflow from the water tanks. Water alarm system. Sounds interesting. So I have made this model. So in this, let's see how I have made it. So first I needed two wires, a water tank and a battery which is placed backside of the house. So let's see when the water level go up. So as you can see there, when I pour, you can see that when the water touch the wire, the bulb glows. This system is so much effective that we have to not required to go up and check it again and again, and I think that it will help us to conserve water for the future generation. Thank you.